Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Mark Bengal, CIO for the state of Tennessee.
And I am Stephanie Dedman, Deputy CIO for the state of Tennessee. And today, Mark and I are here to share with you some of the positive impact that enterprise information technology has had upon government operations and the lives of our citizens here in the great state of Tennessee.
I've been state CIO in Tennessee for over 10 years now, and I'm truly proud of what our IT organization has accomplished under Governor Haslam's leadership. It's amazing how much technology has changed and how embedded IT has become in every aspect of government operations. In fact, without IT, Tennessee state government just wouldn't be what it is today.
That is true. And today, we have asked our team to help us share where our organization is right now, to highlight what we've accomplished lately, and to give you a sneak peek of where we are going into the future.
For you to understand where we are today, you really need to see where we came from to truly appreciate the transformation. So let's take a closer look.
Back in the old days of IT, 2004, a much younger Mark Bengal left the Commonwealth of Kentucky and came to Tennessee to embark upon a new information technology journey. Back then, the iPhone was still just a twinkle in Steve Jobs' eyes, and central IT in Tennessee was primarily focused just on the mainframe. As Mark assumed the title of Tennessee's state CIO, he knew something had to change. The state had made some great progress by consolidating their network previously in 1999, but disparate servers and data centers were still scattered across the state. IT staff, resources, and efforts were being duplicated across more than 23 different state departments. Many of the facilities supporting critical state systems were questionable at best, and the build-out of many data centers was rapidly expanding across agencies. This tendency towards deconsolidation not only drove up infrastructure costs, but it severely hampered efforts towards an enterprise strategic direction towards shared systems, licensing, standards, and improved security across all departments. So, Mark and his team began leading consolidation efforts to save the state money and improve IT outcomes. By 2006, almost all data servers and storage had been consolidated in one large state data center. In 2009, Edison, our ERP solution, became an enterprise offering across all state departments. Shortly after this, a second state data center was built to ensure disaster recovery and business continuity. Consolidation of the state's 800-plus premise-based phone systems soon followed with the rollout of the state's enterprise ITP solution. By 2012, state IT was organized into what we call a federated model, where core infrastructure was centralized under one main IT organization, but each department was responsible for their own business applications, IT staff, and their own projects. In a natural progression, Mark and team then turned their focus towards shared services and implementing enterprise services such as ECM, ITSM, security and risk management, data resource management, and enterprise GIS. Despite these efforts, each department was characterized by varying approaches of IT delivery and vastly different levels of IT maturity. Inadequate IT skills in some areas and duplication of efforts in others was a large issue, as well as was the increasing number of large IT project failures and surmounting costs related to inadequate low-bid technology procurements. This ultimately led to an initiative called Next Gen IT and the creation of the state's Enterprise PMO, also known as Business Solutions Delivery. The state's Enterprise IT Training Program, IT Academy, the outside assessment of all state agency staff and skills, and an update of all state IT classifications became the key components of this Next Gen initiative. It was actually the external assessment of state IT staffing and skills that has led to this final chapter in our IT consolidation efforts. It was expected that we would find that the state lacked key IT skills critical for success, but we were somewhat surprised to learn that we would also need a significant increase in the quantity of that staff as well. This was a problem, as the cost associated with upgrading staffing skills and salaries became very prohibitive. Another solution was required, and this is what led to the conclusion that shared resources would be much more efficient than reproducing all required functions 23 different times across all state departments.
And this is where we are today. In 2015, STS worked with Governor Haslam's office on a consolidation plan that allows us to improve our capabilities through the use of shared resources. increase our success by driving best practices, and simplify our IT environments to allow more focus on innovation. We call this project Enterprise IT Transformation, or EIT. Phase 1 consolidation is complete, and we're currently in Phase 2. Deputy CIO Stephanie Dedman is in charge of our EIT initiative, so I'll ask her to take the lead on this next section.